And in this video clip, I'll be looking at images like this that some people use to try and prove that the Earth is a ball, where a building they say is below the horizon and is sticking up above the horizon. Well, on a ball Earth, this image is totally impossible. If I show you this image, you get to understand that this building cannot shift from this position and as you move away maintain its same perspective. It's impossible. So when I show you this image now, you get to understand that it's impossible. So let's analyze this deeper. Right, now look at the angle of the road. If this was a curve from the building to the horizon, that angle of that road on the opposite side of that curve cannot maintain that same angle and perspective. And it's the same with the building. So let's look at this. So you and the building are on the same line, and so is the water. The water can't rise above that line. So all that is simply happening is that the further away you are from the object, the more it would lean over backwards. So for you to see the water level halfway up the building would be leaning over backward, and the horizon line would be cut off, truncated, and the quality of the light on the one side of the curve would be different to the other side, because the angle of the reflection of the light would be in opposite directions. Yet we don't see this. There's no change in light from yourself, between yourself and the horizon, none whatsoever. So the building, as it dropped over the curve, would exponentially lean back and foreshorten, and the further away you moved, it would do this quickly, and the building would distort the further away it was from you. So it's impossible then for the building to be vertical and yet be behind the horizon line. That's impossible. But what we see is that the ocean between us and the building is flat. Now, if you took your camera at eye level, you'd be fine. But if you drop your camera down from your eye level on your tripod and you drop it down to the ground, what you will notice, because there's a distortion in your lens, remember the buildings left and right would lean over slightly, the same happens top and bottom. You will notice that a false horizon would rise up as you dropped your camera down. A false horizon would rise up between yourself and the true horizon. So the better the camera lens, the less noticeable this will be. But on the cheaper cameras, this is quite noticeable. You can try this for yourself. Go stand on a straight road, drop your camera down, and you'll see a false horizon rise up between the true horizon and yourself. So some people, they are doing this deliberately and then posting the video clip and saying, you see, there's the buildings dropping below the shoreline, and so the Earth is a ball, or the Earth is curved. But it's not true.